This lab disperser SDF400 is priced at just $500 US. Hard to believe, right? Here is how over 20 years experience and supported by 3 factories and over 200 skilled workers, we are able to offer this exceptional value. The lab machine is lightweight, durable, and the contact material all made of stainless steel 304. And for this SDF400, the speed is about 8,000 RPM per minute, and the weight is just about 28 kilograms. This is our sample room. We have the lab disperser, lab emulsifier, lab tubular mill, and lab basket mill. Each one is the best choice for the testing of the new formula or developing new product. Many of our new buyers who are new in this industry have shown a particular preference on this skill. We also provide customized service, even single unit, and each of our engineers has been in this business for more than 20 years, and we can not only provide the single machine but also the whole production line from design to installation. We also have many production machines in our factory. Next video we will show you more information. See you!